Hello, troopers. It's Berta Jay. Hey, hey. Thought I'd do it a little bit different. I'll do the same thing all the time. But come on into my kitchen today because we're going to do another installment on
Viewers' Voices.
Viewers' Voices. You got it. The first thing I found out came from Tamson, Darland. And she said, Berta, if you take about a 1-cup jar and you place your garlic in it, so I'm going to place it in here, put a nice little tight-fitting lid on it, and then you start to shake like a, I don't know, like a silly person you could dance. Oh, I'm going to hard for a few seconds, and more. These are not coming off. More. I don't know if I can do much more. Okay, so after you do that, instead of clipping the top off like I showed you how to do it, you do this, and I'll show you what happens. All right, so take the top off, and see, those are the skin, and here's the garlic. Second one is from M&S Jones. When you have to cut scallions or green onion, so when you cut the bottom off, unless you cut it up about 1 inch, like right here, cut it off, and instead of throwing it away, you're gonna take it, put it in a pot. This is about a week's worth of growth. So I'm gonna stick this one in, just make a little hole, and then you just put it in a pot of soil. I just use regular potting soil with vermiculite. Third tip, chopping board. Now this came to us, her name is Gina D. So thank you, Gina, for this. I've been using it ever since I read it. If you have to cut something, okay, you see how it's sliding all over the place? Sliding back and forth? Gina said to me, this is what she said, please put a piece of wet paper towel or regular wet towel under your cutting board, Berta. It doesn't move around when you're cutting. And then she said, she told me about this because she said it's too scary to watch it move as you slice things. So what I did was do exactly what Gina said. I just took one of my dishcloths, squeezed it out a bit, and I keep this one just hanging on a little towel bar in the kitchen with my dish towels. Now you saw how it was moving before. Here we go. And you put this on. Why this works, I have no idea. Maybe it's the suction, the wetness against the... Okay, now watch this. Didn't move. When you put some force in it, that's what happens. So take my wet rag, put it underneath here. You can go faster because you realize it's not going anywhere. Those are all of the comments from my viewers. I wanted to leave you with something funny. So listen to this. This is Janice. It's on how to keep bananas fresh. And she said this. The funniest thing I heard was a young couple coming out of the grocery store. The young man stopped at a trash can at the grocery store door. And he held up the bag with the bananas in it that they had bought. And he simply said, shouldn't I just go ahead and throw these away now? He asked his partner. Do you think that? So that's it. That's it for this Viewers Voices. I'm so thankful, troopers, that you keep asking me things. I do this all the time. Gina, I'm now doing this M&S, and Tamson, I do this. And thank you for your funny joke, your funny little joke that made me laugh, Janice. Until next time, bye for now. Well, not bye for now. It's not bye for now. I have to tell them to click on the thing.
Oh, okay.
Okay. So until next time, don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to click on the bell so that every time a new video is uploaded, you will get the notification. So until next time again. Bye for now.